These guys are part of the Department of Tourism. They are the caretaker of Animasola Island. Straight ahead. So they come there and make sure the island is taken care of. There's a $50 entrance fee to get to the island, which you can actually enjoy sometimes by yourself. Rock formations, tide pools, hiking, white sand, beautiful clear blue waters. It's very peaceful. Right there where the sun is rising is Mayon volcano, one of the 8 wonders of the world. It is the almost perfect cone volcano. It's active right now. You can actually go almost to the bottom of the mountain or the crater. You can see a wall. It's awe-inspiring. It actually in the 1600 it engulfed the whole village. Right now it's on active alert. You can see they call them a Kagsawa ruins from the 16th century. You can go scuba diving, deep sea fishing, see dolphins, turtles, yellowtail, tuna. Enjoy your time here with a small village and go back to the old days. Very simple life. School still don't have any computers, which won't help build them. Kids are already very phone savvy. It's kind of weird. Small fishing village. Right there is Atlaza Resort. You can invite your friends, go tent camping. They have day lodging. They have overnight camping with tents. They have family rooms. You can hold weddings, conferences. It's a small, peaceful town. They have water sports. You can do kayaking, wakeboarding. During the monsoon tides, you can actually go surfing. You have to see for yourself and visit, especially Animasola Island. It's only 20 minutes away. You can actually swim it or go kayaking if the tides are very calm, like yesterday. family friendly town. Take your kids. Just enjoy. Go 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 spend time. Read a book. Put your laptops away and your phones. At the same time, if you do need to work, they started installing fiber optics on homes, small homes. We had one installed a few days ago, so we can work. We work at night. Yeah, we want to invite young um, entrepreneurs, digital nomads, young digital nomads that can promote and help our town. That's the elementary school right there. If anybody wants to help, um, we're looking for builders, construction, um, that can help build for a few weeks. Enjoy your vacation at the same time. Do something for the community. Um, Electricians, plumbers, and you never know. Someday you can retire in this beautiful town. Just it's part of our town. We're trying to develop it and build it for a small family-oriented place. Spend a week, a few weeks, a month, and it will change your life. Really.